Okay, then wait. You guys, let's decide.
Go!
How do you put them right? Come around this way.
Yeah, otherwise we're gonna be like, that'll do it.
Rachel, I'm gonna start you off right now. Thank you, dear.
Thank you. Hello, darling.
Looking a bit small for me. I know, I just think, like I didn't have Rachel right here. Slate. And Rachel, and the smart towards me. That's good, right there. Straight on, happy about being here. That's great. Stay with me. Straight on, straight on, straight on. And one more if I could.
Right now?
Yeah, Rachel,
Sorry.
back here.
How are you?
Looking in the second row.
Thank you so much.
Where's your arm?
You want to just start, Leslie?
Right here.
Leslie, just start right there. How you doing? Big smile. Thank you.
Not bad. Oh, very so much. Rachel, you gonna move down back?
Good, right there. Beautiful. Straight on. Happy about being here. That's great. Staying with me. And
Thank you.
one more if I could. Thank you.
Está bien. Come by me.